Good morning. Hi, guys. Hi, Dreamy. Hi, Lyra. Hi, Win. Hi, Lolly. Hi, Velvet. Hi, Kale.
We're called Neons.
Good morning.
Sinners plucked from hell to do God's dirty work. But I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Old friends, ex-lovers. Only one of us can stay in heaven. And I've got a score to settle.
This opening is so good. And I'm probably only gonna hear it a couple more times. So we gotta appreciate it. Alrighty. Good morning and happy Friday. Thanks, Kale. I don't really have any weekend plans except for like finalizing a cosplay. I did manage to, I'm gonna piece together a Rio cosplay somehow. I'm basically going for like, I found like a really cute casual like purple ribcage sweater. And I found like the perfect shoes and a wig. So like, I think I got it. Like if anybody would recognize me, like I think I would be recognizable to a fan. And that's kind of all I'm looking for. Okay. So we are in the portion of the game where what? I'm not required to defeat all of the enemies. And I have the Book of Life, which allows me to run at them at very high speeds. Oh no. I already fucked it up. I bought the wig for a Magni cosplay, but I haven't put anything together. Ooh. A Magni cosplay always like was daunting to me because of the halo. Like I am not by any means like a good cosplayer, so like I don't even know where to begin with that. Okay, so I need to charge him and then I need to swap cards. Woo! Oh. Oh, I should have jumped there. I must have missed you getting the Book of Life. Didn't it explode? So, I could be wrong. My lore retention skills are not the best. I think we found the... No, wait. I have a page from the Book of Life. I think it's just a single page. Or it was the Book of Death that exploded. Oh no. I think you refresh the page in the book each time. Oh my god, I'm not close enough. Okay, I just gotta ignore that dude. Ooh, the controls are back used to them again. Ooh, swapping between my cards is kind of freaking me out. It's a little tricky. Ah! I need a breather. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna be using the little grappling hooks. What? Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, okay. Excuse me? Really? They're gonna do this to me? Oh, wait, hold on. I can see you, bitch. I can see it! Oh! Okay. I need to get up there. Can I do that? Oh! It's nothing simple. Black and white filter. I should, you know what I should do? And I think I can. I should have a redeem that does the sad music and changes a filter over me that's black and white. I think that would be hilarious. Ow, fuck me, dude. Oh, that one is so hard. I'm really bad at aiming those. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try mouse and keyboard for a little bit. And see how we fare. Because I'm having aim issues. Alright, jump. We got shoot. We got discard. What is the swap card button? And what is the reset button? Actually, I want to figure that out now. Restart is F. Oh, right. Okay, so if I grab this, how do I swap? Can I? Q. Okay. You're so brave for switching mechanics in the middle of a hard level. Yeah, it helped me last time. It is a little risky because now I do have to like relearn the controls, but I had to relearn the controls anyway. Because I took a week break in between playing it. Oh, it's Q. Wait, that is so fucking hard. What the hell? Am I ah! All right. So we go boom. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, I... I'm gonna freak out. Maybe I shouldn't be, what's the word? I'm spamming the button. No, it's so hard to lock on. What the fuck? Okay, what? How do I make this easier on myself? Oh, wait. Hold up. Oh. I could do this. I could do this. I'm smart. I'm smart. I got this. I'm a genius. Please. Oh. Wait. Uh-oh. Wait. Boy, I don't really know what to do here. Oh, fuck me. We're doing good. We're making progress. Oh, where am I going? Oh. Ah! I need a zoom. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Fuck. Oh my god, is the lolly out here? It fucking giving a recap of the whole game for me? Thank you. wish I could switch to my sword when I have guns. Oh, fuck me. I didn't mean to do that. God damn it. It's fine. Alright, we're gonna do this. We're gonna hop in the... We're gonna die. We're gonna die in the lasers. A very important next step. Are you watching? Remember to die.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hello, whoever that is. Good morning. Ugh. I keep using the wrong shit. Okay. Boom. Where are we going? Oh! Oh my god! Woo!
What's next?
Brian! Good morning, Brian. Welcome. Just in time. First try. We were so good at that level. Oh, Jesus Christ. And down. What on earth? Ooh, this is kind of crazy. I want my book of life. Oh. Ooh. 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 There we go. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I fucked it up immediately. Leave me alone. Ah! Man, I really enjoy the, like... I really enjoy the, like... It's like, ooh, fun and cute to, like, have my controller hooked up to my VTuber model. Why can't I fucking make this? But man, a lot of the games that I play are way better mouse and keyboard. I am actively nerfing myself for the aesthetic. Alright, what the hell am I doing? We go over here. We dodge the weird lasers. We blow up. We get the Book of Life. We blow up. Oh, I forgot you can... I forgot you can teleport to chests as well. Oh. Nyum. Oh lord. Oh fuck. Oh, this is crazy. Ah! Ah! I need it! Oh no, I used them. Oh, beans. Okay. For me, it super depends. Some games are so much better on control and vice versa. That is true. That is true. I understand that. I didn't hit the platform. I got too excited. Dude, I am so motivated to get to more story in this game today. Because I want to see that goddamn Yowie. Oh, fuck. Ah! And we're gonna stop here. Lasers. Jump over the lasers. Oh! Ow. Okay, what was it? We want to swap and not use up this card just yet. Boom! Yes! Yay!
Okay, let's keep it going.
I wonder if there's ways to connect key inputs to the controller animation. Oh, that's true. I think Kitty has that. Huh. I should ask Kitty what she does. Good morning, Leah. Happy Friday. You got me fucked up if you think I'm playing Dragon Age 1 or 2 with a controller. Dude, I played Dragon Age Origins, the first Dragon Age game. I played that shit on the Xbox. And I do one day want to play it on PC because, like, I mean, I would say that's what it was maybe made for. Oh my god, we're so close to the end of this one. One day I'll replay all of the Dragon Age games. Ooh, I see you. What? Oh, I do have to kill it though. Boop. Oh, is this gonna be like... Oh, I gotta think fast. Oh god, what? Oh, this is weird! That was cute. It was like a little puzzle. Alright. If I want to shoot him. Yeah, there's no way. Huh. Oh, I have a sword. Can I switch to the sword when I have the Book of Life? Yes. Beep. Boom. Ah! What? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Oh, that was a fun one. Oh, the level was so fast. Please play Dragon Age so I can live vicariously through you. Oh my god. Yeah, maybe I'll... Well, god, once I finish Baldur's Gate, maybe I'll replace that with a Dragon Age playthrough. God. Origins is so fucking ugly. It's gonna be hilarious. I want to replay them too, see my beloveds. Yeah. I love everybody in that game. Alright, here's the last level. What the fuck is that? Hello? Is green here? What the fuck? What are you doing, bud? What is that? You being a little freak? Oh god, I'm just thinking about that last time I had to fight him. Oh. Oh, I need to shoot that. With the gun. With the gun that I have. Alistair. I loved Alistair. Zevran was my favorite. I really liked the two of them. Oh, fuck me. Where are we going? Where are we going? What are we doing? What is it? I don't even remember what this does. It's a gun. Ow! I don't think that should have worked. Huh? Ah! Oh fuck. Ah! What was I supposed to do there? I didn't even have time to register what I was looking at. Even now, I don't even know what just happened. That's fine though, that wasn't too bad. Dude, this game is so much easier with mouse and keyboard. I'm in the zone. We gaming. We gaming. Okay, we're approaching my death. Oh, Wait. Oh. Okay. Oh! No! Oh, there's Mikey. Oh my god.
Not bad.
Oh, that level was so long. It wasn't necessarily hard, but it was like really long, and I was so scared I was gonna die. Huh. Complete mission.
Well, that's the last page.
You did it, kid! And with plenty of time to spare!
Okay, so we've been collecting individual pages, I think, to complete to put the book back together. Maybe.
I made it.
Red, you're healed. Already?
I told you you wouldn't have to hold down the fort for too long. Now I can help you guys gather the rest of those pages.
No need. We're already done.
Aw, see? You didn't need Mommy after all.
Shut up!
Okay.
You do deserve some credit. That page you gave me played a huge part in this getting done as quick as it did, so thanks. And, sorry for being a mess.
Honestly, I'm just glad you're finished moping.
Then I guess all that's left is to get the Book of Death.
Now hold on a sec. The reunion of the books is not all that's necessary to facilitate a proper Judgment Day. You'll also need the Inkhorn.
Inkhorn, huh? I think that plaque I read in the old city mentioned that thing.
It's not just a thing. It's the pen God uses to write in the books. Last anyone saw, it was held in God's hand, which has since been sealed beneath the firmament. You can thank those damn believers for that.
Wait, hold up. There are two hands of God?
Duh.
Of course there are, you numbskull. A right and a left.
Forget the hand. Can you please explain this firmament to me?
You mortals are hopeless. Here, let me show you. Think of heaven as a sort of snow globe in the middle of a vast underworld, where God built his throne.
Mikey's little paws. He's drawing with a crayon. This is so cute. Look at this. Oh my god.
Remember that wall you ran into in Heaven's Edge? That was the firmament. See, your souls are normally just hanging around here.
He's drawing on a napkin.
But when the believers planned their assault on God, they pierced a hole in this firmament.
This is so cute.
During the days of judgment, you neons float into heaven through this exact hole.
So then you're saying the Inkhorn is beneath this snow globe?
Correct. And I have absolutely no clue how to get it out.
We can't just go down there and grab it?
You remember how the Book of Life was protected within God's clenched fist? Same goes for the Inkhorn. Except God's remaining life force can't reach beyond the walls of the firmament, so that hand is stiff as a corpse. It won't open for nobody. And that's exactly how the believers
This
want it.
game's lore is just crazy.
They knew that even if both books were united, without the Inkhorn, God could not return.
So then we need to figure out a way to bring God's hand into the firmament.
How are we gonna do that? We don't have much time.
Whoa, calm down. It's gonna be okay.
You've got a solution, kid?
No. But I'd bet Green definitely does.
Uh-oh.
Not bad for a dead guy, huh?
Are we gonna wait for the bad guy to
All
do his
sermons are
plan?
canceled. For good. And yet, I can't stop myself from coming back to this damn place.
And then, like, swoop in and steal it from him once it goes right?
Yellow, Violet. I have no idea what's going to happen next. But I do know it wouldn't be right to let this end without resolving all of our unfinished business. This is my final opportunity to make things right. I better do a thorough job. Otherwise, what's the point?
Episode 12, Hand of God. It's Judgment Day! Oh boy! Time to go talk to Yowie Green. It's Mr. Yowie Green. Oh. And the new characters in Clue have bizarre names.
Thanks for holding down the fort, Gabby.
It was no trouble, Mr. White.
I love them.
Any sign of Green?
Last I heard, he was at the glass port, simply looking out at the ocean. Seems he's grown tired of his tantrum.
He must be waiting for us. You nervous?
Not nervous, just wistful, maybe. I always thought that if there was an afterlife, you'd be the best version of yourself when you got there.
Huh?
Green. He wasn't always this deluded and nihilistic.
Oh, are they gonna paint him in a positive light?
It's easy to forget after all that's happened, but there was once a time when we were all like a family.
Yeah.
I guess it just hit me that even if we succeed today, nothing's gonna bring those times back.
Nope. We're long past that point.
Aw.
Even Green knows that much. In life, he was fueled by revenge. In death, by his regrets. How could he forgive himself when he never learned what it means to forgive anyone else?
It's easier to just destroy.
Forgiveness is the harder path for a reason. For all the time it takes and all the pain it brings, it still won't undo any damage. It doesn't even make you into a better person. One might even say it's meaningless.
And why pursue it?
So you can move forward, forge a new path of possibilities. Find peace. That's what this place used to be for, you know? A waiting room where you'd eventually realize that the only meaningless choice is one where you don't set your soul free. But I digress. This is it, Neons. Your final mission. Bring back God or doom us all to oblivion.
Thanks for everything, Mikey. We won't let you down.
Ooh.
You already have your assignment, Mr. White.
Yeah, I know, but
I'd get moving if I were you, Mr. White.
Oh. Only 2 parts to this one.
Can you feel it, White?
Oh.
The window for Judgment Day is closing.
I feel it all right.
I see you've restored the Book of Life to its former glory.
His voice is like too low. It's like low enough that I struggle to hear it, you know? Like I keep boosting the vocals so I can hear this dude better.
And I see you haven't done jack all. Where's the inkhorn? Or does that not play a role in your lame-ass plans?
Of course it does. How else would I write the entire universe into the Book of Death?
Then what the hell are you doing just standing around here?
You still don't understand, do you, boy? We can't accomplish anything here without each other.
Can you quit being such a drama queen for once and tell us what you're getting at?
As it stands, God's life force is trapped within the firmament.
Fast forward to how you intend to bring God's hand back inside.
Why bring his hand in when we can send his life force out? We simply need to create an opening in the firmament that is larger than the pinhole that exists now.
And how exactly do you plan to do that?
Dear boy, the solution rests right upon your face.
My mask?
My mask?
You know what these masks are made of, don't you?
Angels?
Angels once used the power of holy flame to create portals which allowed them fast travel throughout Sheol. But as you've seen the believers demonstrate, holy flame in conjunction with the soul produces incredibly destructive results.
True.
Like what happened when those neons were punished at the altar.
Like they blow up.
I've acquired an impressive collection of masks from the neons I've hunted thus far.
Oh.
If all were to detonate at once, well, That would certainly do a number on the firmament, don't you think? But we'd still need a soul. And I just don't plan to give up mine.
Is that a threat?
An empty one. With the book protecting us, he couldn't detonate our masks even if he wanted to.
You're right, I can't. And neither you mine. See, the choice must come willingly.
Oh my god. If Red fucking...
So what are you saying? That this is a suicide mission?
The White I knew in life was always so obedient. He would have gladly volunteered for me.
Look at his eyelashes. What the fuck? They're so long.
Too bad the White you knew is dead.
Then, I suppose, we are at an impasse. That's fine. Let the window close. You'll come to your senses eventually. I've waited this long, after all.
These two are so dramatic.
What's another year?
I don't buy it. There's gotta be something else we can do.
If you believe there exists an alternative I've somehow missed after all my years trapped in this godforsaken place, then by all means, find it.
Where did you put the other masks?
Directly above God's banished hand, the Colosseum.
Then that's where we'll go.
Wait, what?
We just need a soul, right? We'll use mine.
Oh no.
What?
Very well.
Red!
I'll meet you both there.
Red, no! You're not doing this.
What choice do we have?
I knew she was gonna pull. Either she's like doing this, or she's gonna like pull a fast one at the end.
We can think of something else.
There is nothing else. Time is running out.
Just let me think for a second.
White! This is the only way.
No. If anyone is blowing themselves up today, it's gonna be me.
These self-sacrificing idiots.
White, stop.
You're the one that got us to this point. You're the only reason I'm even here. You should get to finish it. It's only fair.
What the hell does fairness have to do with anything?
I don't know. I just... Please, don't make me do this without you.
In all our years of training, only one person on our team could ever best Green in combat. Do you remember which one of us that was? The fight against Green is yours, White. This one is mine.
Red, no! I won't let you do this!
No! All right. I'm probably not gonna beat this level. I'm gonna play around in it a little bit, and I'm gonna slowly start wrapping it up here.
Let me go.
Oh, I'm chasing her.
Let me do this.
Oh! Oh, this is sad. Oh, I missed it.
Just let me go. Let me do this.
Aww. Yeah, this sucks.
You can't stop me, White.
Oh! Ma'am?
Just let me go. Let me do this.
How many times am I gonna hear that voice line?
You can't stop me, White.
Alright, so we go here. Where'd she go? This way? Girl, where you at? Oh, she's hopping around. Oh! Holy fuck.
Damn it.
Oh. Wait, where am I going? Oh, Jesus.
Don't do it.
Oh! Wait a second. Do I just need to run? Ah! Oh no, I do need to kill all of them though. I hope you can save Red in time, but is there a present in this level? That's a great question, Nico. I think there might be. Okay. All right. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Next time I play, we can play through the thrilling finale? I don't know. I don't know how much is left. Ah! What a good game. I love this game. Okay. We're gonna raid Lolly today. Lolly, I'm coming at you. Lolly's working on more art. I believe drawing perhaps a model or a trade. Unless that is old information. Because I think she was drawing yesterday too. No, you're not. What are you doing today? What is Friday usually? Oh, it's Danganronpa Day? Fuck yeah. Perfect. Alright, everybody go watch Lolly play Danganronpa. And I'll see you tomorrow morning at 10 Central for Risley's story quest in Genshin Impact. I hope. Alright. Bye-bye.